Well, they replaced my ceiling, or repaired it. And it replaced, well, they replaced the, you know, the part that had to be replaced. So, yeah, the only thing they didn't do was paint it. I guess they're going to come back and do that. Not today, but yeah, I guess they're going to wait to, they're probably going to wait until they paint to replace the heating vent. You know, the heating vent cover. So, other than that, looks pretty good. Here, I'll go show you my bedroom here. Had to wipe some stuff off and whatever. Other than that, it's all good. There's my bedroom ceiling. So, yeah, looks like they did a pretty good job. So, and I still got all my stuff out here. It'll probably be a while until I get everything back to normal. Yep. This was unfortunate. Well, I mean, I can clean it, but this was. I guess you can say this was in the path of the collapse. As you can tell. But other than that, it's all good. So, alright. Y'all have a good one. Be safe out there. See you later.